Hi everyone, my name's Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today's healing energy transmission is about removing seeds of doubt. So I became aware when I was in my young adult life that I had a seed of doubt and I wasn't sure of the source of it, and have since been working very hard to transmute that. Of course, life slams you in the face sometimes and it comes back with a vengeance, but I believe that you can replace that seed of doubt that generates anxiety, that generates kind of you fumbling, that has you stumble on your path or not trust your intuitive guidance. Today's healing energy is about replacing that. And I find that often if you've been receiving any kind of hostile energy or negative energy from loved ones, family, friends, work mates, that it can amplify those seeds of doubt. So today we're going to clear those out. So go ahead and all you need to do is nod or say yes to receive this healing energy. And I also acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. So take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Calling on the archangels Michael, Uriel, Metatron, Gabriel, Nathaniel, Melchizedek, all of the other archangels. And a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. To create this space as sacred, this virtual digital space as sacred, so that you're safe, so that you're held, so that the seed of doubt can be brought into the light and be absorbed, resolved, and dissolved. So go ahead and take a moment to just allow yourself to zero in with your awareness on where you might be holding this seed of doubt. Just take one, maybe there's more. Just start with one and you can watch this again if you need to go back. Is it in your gut? Is it in your heart? Is it in your mind? Where is this seed of doubt kind of imprinted and placed in your being? Doesn't have to be physical, could be ethereal, could be in the auric field. Just take a moment to kind of scan yourself and think about where you're holding a seed of doubt. This is a little transmission device broadcasting that you're not good enough, that you're not worthy, that nothing you ever do will be okay, that you're never enough, all of these things. Where is that lodged? Where is that embedded? Where is that imprinted in your being? And you can pause the video if you haven't found it yet, just to stop and contemplate. Maybe you need to go for a walk and it will come to you, okay? It doesn't have to be instant. Just as soon as you've kind of located it, locked coordinates on it, I'm going to bring it into your mind's eye. Allow it to be held in the light. Allow it to reveal its form. What is the energy imprint? What does it look like? Is it a hook? Is it a barb? Is it a burr, like those seeds that are covered in little burrs that snag? Allowing the spaciousness to fill in the gaps with your imagination, fill in the gaps with your consciousness. What does the seed of doubt look like? What is its form? What is its shape? What does it feel like? Where is it embedded? And once you've located it, isolated it, zeroed in on it, we're going to blast it. And we're going to transmute it and transform it, alchemize it. We're putting the spotlight on it. And now we're directing a surgical precision laser focus of energy right at it. Again. Take a deep breath. Okay, now we're going to fill the void, fill the space where it was embedded. We're going to fill that with golden sparkles, beautiful healing, loving energy from the divine. Take a deep breath. And as this golden healing energy replaces what was once there, it starts to infuse and dissipate and infuse your whole being with this warmth, this healing energy that radiates and ripples throughout all of your being, from the inside out. And go ahead and say after me, affirm to yourself, I am worthy. I am enough. I breathe that in. I love myself as I am. I'm doing my best. Just be aware as you affirm any of those things. If there's a negative thought that surfaces that counters it, no, you're not. No. Just allow it. We're dissolving that as well. Dissipating, dissolving, resolving. It's brought into the light for us to see right here, right now, to be dismantled, right? Just the wisps and threads of the energy that was once implanted. Dissipates, dissolves. Affirm with me again. I'm worthy. I'm enough. I love myself as I am. I'm doing my best. Feel that starting to settle. And even if it's just a glimmer of a thought that rises to meet those affirmations before you default back to the old ways, take a moment of gratitude just for that moment of clarity, for that moment of feeling that. Take practice. If it lands and it anchors and it holds, then you're good. And if you need to revisit it and you need to rewatch this and you need to practice this a few times, no judgment, no expectation. It's just where you're at, right? It's just where you're at. It's the judgment and expectation is just more of the same old crap. That I'm not worthy and I'm not good enough. Goodbye. Don't need that anymore. It doesn't serve you. No matter the source of it. No matter when it was planted in your consciousness, in your being. Just allowing it to be dissolved. I see the vision of a beautiful new leaf unfolding. And on this leaf, just like a blank canvas, is the choice and the responsibility and the ability to create your life as you want to, without that noise, that static, that old program. So take some time after you've done this healing session to journal what you want to call into your life, what qualities you want to call into your life, who you want to be. What does it look like? What's the vision of yourself without those seeds of doubt? And if you want to, after you've written it out, you could transmute it further by burning it in the fire. Yes. Well done. And thank you. Bless. I'm just going to anchor this healing energy with the gong. Thank you, my loves. If you're enjoying, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Bless you.